Well, here I am outside again in Cameron's backyard. Go figure. Let's get down to business. And yes, I said business. I regret nothing. Over the past month, my friends sadly got me addicted to Glee. Glee! There's only one thing in Glee that I care about, and it's the only thing Cameron cares about. It's the only thing Carrie cares about. It's the only thing my friend Danielle cares about. Klaine.
Plane, train, all the way to the station. Ah!
I know what you're thinking. If you haven't seen Glee, you're wondering, what is Klaine? Klaine is the ship of Kurt and Blaine. It is magical. I love it so much. Everything else in Glee I don't care about, to be honest. Finchel, they shouldn't get married. What they should do is they should keep a relationship while they go to college, and then they get married after they graduate college and have little singing kids of dancing. I started on Glee with this one episode, and Cameron and Carrie both said to me, it's not that serious of a show. Most of the episodes are really stupid. It was actually a really serious episode. Carrie almost cried. I was like, whoa. Cameron was like, whoa. We were like, whoa. I am addicted to Glee. The music is okay. Usually I like the original more. Goodbye. She's got a love like, whoa, whoa.